How to find who can see your email on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see your email on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click personal and account information, and here you will find email address. Click edit and then click edit here, and as you see here you can find who can see your email, and that's how to find who can see your email on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.